Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sadia Farhan and we are discussing history of journalism in subcontinent. Today we are going to discuss press and government. So we will start from Lord Wellesley's Press Act 1799. Censorship was imposed on all newspapers. It was demanded to clearly print name of editor, printer and publisher on newspaper. Submit all materials for pre-censorship. A newspaper couldn't be published on Sundays. Those who breached those laws would be deported. Then Lord Hastings. Relaxation came under his rule. General rules were there for the guidance of news editors. The Governor General Lord Hastings refused to cancel the license of James Buckingham, the editor of the Calcutta Journal. Then Licensing Regulations 1823. Now, the acting Governor General was John Adams. It was mandatory to obtain a license for starting a press. And if it is not done, penalty was rupees 400 or the person could be imprisoned. Governor General had the right to revoke a license or call for a fresh application. Then Liberation of Indian Press 1835. Lord William Bentinck. He had liberal attitude towards press. Charles Metcalfe repealed Ordinance 1823 and earned epithet Liberator of the Indian Press. Then Lord Macaulay spotted free press in India. Declaration was required for a printer and publisher. This was the only rule in Liberation of Indian Press era. Declaration was required from a printer and publisher. This liberal press continued unchallenged till 1856. The Licensing Act 1857. There was prohibition of keeping printing press without license from government. Government reserved discretionary right to grant license or revoke them at any time. Government could prohibit any publication, book, printed material. The act was an emergency measure due to mutiny in 1857 and its duration was 1 year. The Registration Act 1867. Every book or newspaper was required to have a place of printing. Within 1 month of publication of a book, a copy of that book had to be supplied free of charge to the local government. Act 1870. A sedition section was added to Indian Penal Code. Due to revolt of Wahhabis, government was alarmed in 1869 to 70. So government was impelled to deal with seditious writings and speeches. The Vernacular Act 1878. To control vernacular press, this act was introduced. Not to publish anything to excite feelings of dissatisfaction against government, and district magistrate was given all powers. Publisher was required to deposit a security. Magistrate's action was final. No appeal could be made to court of law. The act came to be nicknamed as Gauging Act.